What's good? Welcome to Design Guy. Ready to design a stunning landing page from scratch using Canva's latest features? Go to the Create menu and select Add Landing Page. Here, you can choose the Landing Page Website option to start building a new landing page for your project. Once the page loads, you'll see a variety of templates available on the side. Browse through the options and select any template you want to use as your starting point. In this example, I'll choose this template, but feel free to pick any one you prefer. View the template's pages, then choose which pages to apply. Select all pages to apply the entire template to your project. Once all the pages are loaded, you'll see every page displayed. From here, you have several options. You can edit any element by clicking on it, or choose to animate specific components. Make changes as needed to customize your project completely. Select the text you want to animate. Click on the Animate button, then choose your preferred animation effect. For example, you could select Fade, Slide, or any other available option. You can follow the same steps to animate images or any other individual element on the canvas. Just select the part you want, click Animate, and pick an effect. You can add animations to as many parts as you need. Once you're comfortable with these steps, we will move on to the next section. To preview your website, click the Preview button. This opens a live view where you can navigate through different pages and see how the content and animations appear. Explore each section to make sure everything looks and works as you expect before publishing. Click the Publish Website button to generate a test site URL. In the Settings menu, you can adjust search engine visibility, enable password protection, customize the navigation menu, and change the site's layout and other options. You can also enable, disable, or modify any extra pages as needed. Review each setting to ensure your preferences are applied. After finishing your adjustments, click Continue to publish your website. This finalizes your changes and makes your updated site available using the test URL you received earlier. Once your design finishes processing, you'll receive a shareable link. Use this link to share your landing page with friends or anyone you choose. As you can see, your landing page is now fully visible. Take a moment to review it. Notice how the animation displays clearly, just as you designed it. This is the final preview before sharing. Confirm that everything looks right, including images, text, and animations, so you're confident your landing page appears as intended to others. You just learned to build a stunning landing page with Canva 2026. Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tutorials.